Hey folks, I'm Brian with C. Reisner Cutlery, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up for the TPK rewards program and how to redeem your points and apply them to an order. To get started, let's click the rewards program link on the left of the menu bar. This page explains a bit about the rewards program. From here, click the big red Join Now in the center to go to the sign up page. Here's the rewards registration form. Enter your name, email, and create a password. Once you're done, click Sign Up. Welcome to the TPK Rewards Club. You've got 500 points in your account just for signing up. Now that you're a member, let's go back to the rewards program widget in the bottom corner and click Sign In. Log in with the email and password you just created. If you forgot your password, just click the Forgot Password link to reset it. We're all signed in, and now you can see our rewards program account and redeem some points to use. Inside the rewards program widget, click on Ways to Redeem. You can choose how many points to redeem into a discount code here. Let's just do 100 points or $1. Click Redeem and you'll be presented with your discount code. Copy that code so we can use it during checkout. Now that we have our discount code, let's go add something to our cart and check out. I like this Canyon Tan Botero slip, so I'll add one of those by clicking Add to Cart. The cart icon is showing one item in our cart now, so we can click on that and review our order before checking out. Underneath the subtotal, you'll see the discounts box. Paste that code we just created into the box and click Apply. You can see that the discount code was applied and the order amount has updated. You're all set to finish checking out normally now. Before we wrap it up, let's take a minute and go over the different reward tiers that we have. There are 3 separate categories or tiers in our program: Barlow, Trapper, and Stockman. Barlow is the entry-level tier that everyone starts at when they sign up for the rewards program. You get 500 blade bucks just for signing up and another 500 on your birthday. You earn 4% back in rewards points in the Barlow tier. Our next tier is Trapper. You will automatically enter this tier after you earn 3,000 blade bucks in 1 calendar year. To be clear, you don't need to actually have 3,000 blade bucks in your account, you just need to have earned them from your orders. Upon entering the Trapper tier, you will receive 1,000 blade bucks and an additional 1,000 blade bucks on your birthday, as well as begin earning 5% back in points on orders. Finally, we have the Stockman tier, unlocked after earning 10,000 blade bucks in 1 calendar year. This is our most exclusive tier and is designed to reward those who have chosen C. Reisner Cutlery for many orders. Upon entering this tier, you are rewarded with 2,000 blade bucks plus another 2,000 on your birthday, and you earn a whopping 6% back in points on every order. Thanks for watching our rewards program tutorial, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@traditionalpocketknives.com.